Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 9 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Now, enter password and security, lock screen password, continue, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, pattern and alphanumeric. Let's start with numeric, and now again we've got three choices: 6-digit, 4-digit and 4 to 16 digits. Let's select only the 6-digit because they're basically the same, only difference is the length. So let's set up the 6-digit pin, use, set it again, and now lock and unlock your phone with the 6-digit pin you've set. Now let's select alphanumeric. That has to contain 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern. And to create it, you have to connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, you can go back and now select Face Unlock. Tap Continue and now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's enter fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap Done, and it's set. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.